This is the walk around of our lovely 840i BMW. But to bring it out here away from the sun at the top there to get a proper look at it. Absolutely stunning vehicle. Rear diffuser and twin exhaust. Unmistakably BMW. Privacy tint on the rear doors, and I love this. How cozy, how inviting does that rear seat area look? The leather on it, just fantastic. You've got your middle central reservation with easy storage for cups as well. Just everything's been thought out. USB-C charging there, heated seats in the rear as well. And then obviously, that's where the party's at, the driver side. So you've got all of the controls there. In fact, massage as well. All of your controls for lighting, steering wheel and infotainment. BMW iDrive is as well one of the leading infotainment systems. USB-C again inside there with a little release button right there. You can set up your own driver profiles as well as your digital dash and your heads-up display, which we cannot unfortunately capture on camera. I've tried my best on the photos, but on video you're never going to see it. And then we've got a rear door or boot release. Driver profiles again, locking, folding mirrors. Pirelli's on the wheels here. And the BMW M Sport brake calipers as well. And BMW adaptive lighting, which if I just lock and unlock the car, you can see it kicking in there. And the M Sport grille. It's just an absolute stunning car, actually. BMW LED lights. Just a fantastic vehicle. Passenger side, rear, ISOFIX in both. But again, just to look at that extra climate control there. And it's available with the information on screen. Thank you.